Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in again. Today we'll be trying out, well, not we, I will be trying out an alternative and edgy look. I've tried it before, but it's not really my style. So let's just get onto it and see how we go. For this look, I will be using Morphe's 25B Bronze Mocha palette. First thing I'm going to do is I'm gonna be using this whitish color and just to prime my eyes so all the color can get packed in there. I don't know what I'm brush I'm using, but it's a flat brush. Next, I will be using this fluffy-ish, flattish brush, and I'll be using this reddish, brownish, purplish color and putting that on my crease. Oh shoot, this one. Oh jeez. Oh man, I made the little mark. Oh my gosh, I'm doing it again. Freaking nails, bro. Next color I'm gonna be using is this purplish color. And I'm gonna be using this brush by Wet n Wild. And I'm gonna put that on my crease. Man, I should have started with my face first, but it's okay. I'll be using this flat brush again and using this dark color. I'm pretty sure it's black, but if it's not black, it's like a really, really dark brown. We're going to take this e.l.f. smudge brush and we're gonna put this the same colors that I put on my eyelids underneath. So this purple, I'm gonna just mix these two so it's just in one go. Before I'm going to put on lashes and everything, I'll just do my whole face. I'll be using this primer. It's W Lab made in Korea. For foundation, I'll be using Maybelline's Fit Me in the shade of Natural Beige. I don't even know my own skin color. I'm not gonna be using a lot, but it is what it is. For concealer, I'll be using Maybelline's Fit Me Concealer in the shade of Deep Ponce. Before I do the rest of my face, I know I'm like all over the place. I rhymed. I'll just be doing my eyebrows. I'll do it off camera. Well, there's my eyebrows. I'm gonna go back to my face. I'll be using a bronzer by e.l.f. Unicorn brush again. And this, yeah, that's what it looks like. Back to the eyes. I know I am everywhere, literally. I should work on my timing and how to place things because I'm just doing this on the go. For my eyeliner, because I gotta put eyeliner on, I'm gonna use Milani, I'm not sure how you pronounce it, but it's Milani Stay Put Black Matte. I realized I'm not done with the eyes yet. I gotta put like an inner highlight in my inner corners of my eyes. This unicorn brush, it's pointed. Again, I don't know what it's called or what kind of brush this is, but I will put the link on where to get these brushes. I'll be using this color. It's like kind of pinkish pearly color, and I'll put that on my inner crease, inner eye. For mascara, I'll be using Maybelline's the Colossal Express. It's black. Oof, dropped it. Got it saved though. For lashes, I'll be using Cuckoo Lashes. I'll put the links below on like the products that I use, so if you want to buy them, you can go ahead and click on that and buy them. Now that my lashes are done, I'll be using a highlighter. For highlighter, I'll be using Colourpop Super Shock Cheek. It's in the color Pearlized. I'll be using a fan brush. This is the only type of brush that I know. For my lips, I'll be using two colors, Milani, and it's in the color I Am Victorious, and also Too Faced Melted Latex. So this lipstick will go everywhere, and then I'm gonna be putting these on like the inner corners or the inner lips, just so it gives that ombre effect. For setting spray, I'll be using NYX's matte finish, just because I have a oily face. And that finishes off the face. Next is hair. I know I should have done this a long time ago, or I should have done this like the very first thing. Look, it's already falling. Ugh, whatever. Looks kind of cute. No. Oh my gosh, I did it. Took me forever, but I did. These nails are not making it easier for me either. For some final things before I change my clothes and everything, accessories, because I know a lot of them, or a lot of alternative / edgy people have a lot of accessories, because it says Vampire's Raga. I got this from like 6th grade and I still just have it. And got choker. I don't really wear chokers at all, but you know, they look really cute. Next is clothing. I'll be using this camo pants and this shirt. And that's it for today's video. If you guys liked it, like and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye.